Hey, what's up, guys? This is David and Pete, and we're about to go into our boiler room apartment. And pretty much in the apartment, we have certain quotas and requirements you got to fulfill. Unfortunately, one of the roommates didn't fulfill them. He was being a little baby girl. So you know what the baby girls get? They get that baby food. So
That's
come
it.
inside it. As you can see, he's still doing his thing right now. Little does he know that he didn't even meet the requirements. Come on.
Okay. All right, for sure. I can.
That's the baby girl right there, guys.
Where you going, Octavius?
What's yours?
Don't close that door.
So,
Don't close that door.
Hold on one second.
You're being a little baby girl now. You gotta eat your baby
bro.
food. Hey, no, get.
Ready? I'm being the baby
Okay,
girl.
yeah. So that's pretty simple, right? What you're doing is explain.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, guys. You know, in this boiler room apartment, you know, there's a certain amount of points that requires for you to become a baby girl, and when you acquire those points as a baby girl, you get the baby food. My man here, Octavius, unfortunately, hit that landmark today, that goal. So here you go, baby boy.
You gotta eat it.
Gotta eat it, bro.
Get that baby food. Get that baby food. There you go. There you go.